What is Vande Mataram? Is it a poem? Is it a song? Is it a collection of letters? Is it a collection of words? Or is it Vande Mataram? Vande Mataram is an emotion. An emotion which instills inspiration, which drives dedication, and which activates application. It is an emotion which made Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyaya get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, go running and knock at his friend's door and said, I am going to dictate a song, please write down. The friends were surprised. When the nature is sleeping, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyaya was awake, thinking, what is my motherland? He started with the words, Ke bole ma tumi abale. Who says, O mother, that you are weak? Then came the song, Vande Mataram. Sujalam, Suphalam, Malayaja Shitalam, Sasya Shamalam, Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Jyotsna, Pulakita Yaminim, Pulla Kusumita Drumadara Shodinim, Suhasinim, Sumathura Bhashinim, Sukhadam, Varadam, Mataram, Vande Mataram. What does it mean to all of us sitting here on this day at the precincts of NSB? It's not only an emotion, it's emotion which transforms our personality. Every word of Vande Mataram should be heard, should be mulled over, should be practiced, and should be made our constitution. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyaya says, Sujalam, Suphalam, Mataram, Vande Mataram. Sujalam. You are the abode of holy waters. What does water do? We need to understand as management graduates and management professors here. Water flows with a single-minded intention that I have to purify the people who come on my way. We meet like how we has only one intention, that is to purify people on its way. We need to purify the hearts. The Valmiki Ramayana talks about Valmiki telling Bharadwaj, you look at this Tamasa river, Ramaniya Prasannambuhu San Manushya Mano Yatha. The Tamasa river basically is looking like a man who has got a very pure mind. Waters represent the purity of mind. In the same way, management education should bring about purity of mind. Sujalam, Suphalam, a tree which bears 500 mangoes would never tell the person or the farmer who is plucking the mangoes, leave 10 for me and take the rest, 490. It says, take everything. It take everything. A coconut tree would take water from many sources. We might give it water from the drainage. We might give it stinking water. We might give water which we've washed the vessels and dirty water. But when the coconut tree gives water to us, it will always give sweet water. Please try to understand. Suphalam, outcomes need to be shared. Mataram, Sapta Koti, Kantha, Kala Kala, Karale. This talks to the management student about unity in diversity. There are 70 crores, Sapta Koti Kantha, Kala Kala Karale. It shouts, 70 crores of throats shout, Visapta Koti Puja, Kar Kar Karavale. 2 into 70 crores hands rise to serve the mother. Please try to understand. One is unity in diversity. Second is working in tandem to rise the field of education to serve the motherland. Because a man who does not work does not have the right to eat, is what Mahatma Gandhi said. Ke bole ma tumi abale bahu phal dharini Namami Tarini, Ripubal Harini, Mataram, Vande Mataram. Bahubal Dharini. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyaya says, Bahubal Dharini. We have immense strength inside us. What is the strength? Every soul is potentially divine. Every soul is potentially strong. Every soul has got infinity inside. The two infinity. Namami Tarini. Whatever is the difficulty, if you connect to that culture of India, that culture which has been bestowed to us from generations to generations to generations in this Rishi Bhumi. Namami Tarini, Ripu Balad Harini, Mataram, Vande Mataram. What are the Ripus? What are the enemies of ours? Our enemies are Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Mad, Matsalya. There are 6 enemies inside us. First one is desire, Kam. Second one is Krodh, anger. The Bhagavad Gita says, Jayate Vishayan Pumsaha, Sangastyeshu Upajayate, Sangat Sanjayate Kamaha, Kamat Krodho Vijayate, Krodhat Bhavati Sammohaha, Sammohat Smriti Vipramaha, Smriti Vrimshat Buddhinashaha, Buddhinashat Pranashti. This talks about how a man is going to be destroyed. An angry man is a mad man at the time of anger. That is why desire leads to anger. And anger short circuits your brain. That's why many a times we say, when I am angry, I am not a human being at all. When I am angry, people say that. Kam Krodha Shrire. You are the life inside us. Bahude Tumima Shakti. Hridaye Tumima Bhakti. Bahude Tumima Shakti. You are the strength in my hand. Because the Bhagavad Gita says, Balam Balatachaham Kamaraga Vivarchita. A person who does not have calm, that is desire, who does not have attachment, that is rag, to that person I am the strength. As management graduates, 2 things we need to practice. One is detached attachment, don't get attached. And other things, don't have desire. And don't go on saying, I did. He has gotten it done to you. This is very, very important. Tumhare Pratima, Gadi Gadi Mandire, Vande Mataram. Tumhari Pratima. Your Pratima, Gadi Gadi Mandire. What is a mandir? It is a place of worship. But the true place of worship is our hearts. You reside. Management, Mother Earth, Mother India, and the culture, the management culture, resides in every heart. Let us Surya does the job of a pilot. Durga Tiharini Durga. Tome Durga, Dashapraharana Dharini, with her 10 hands, she removes all our obstacles. Kamala Dala Viharini. Lakshmi gives us the strength to work. Lakshmi is the one, the force which allows us to do any work. And that work, every work has to transform itself into wisdom. That is what is called experience. Experience is not 5 years of experience, 10 years of experience. Experience is not eating up the seeds. Experience is what you have transformed sitting on that seat. What happens to the man when he sits on that seat is more important than what happens to the work itself, is what Masaki Imai said in his Kaizen philosophy. So experience is transformation of everything around. And when you start working, Kamala Dara Virahadini, Vani Vidya Dhaini. Saraswati gives you that learning. And when we interview people, we will see what is the learning which they have had in 10 years of experience. Not just sitting on seats and then coming. Vani Vidya Dhaini, Namami Tvam, Namami Kamalam, Amalam, Atulam, Vande Mataram, Namami, Shamalam. She is as dark as the dark cloud which gives you rain. In the same way, management sciences when practiced will give you abundance of prosperity. Shamalam, Saralam, whatever you learn, be absolutely approachable to people. The Saushilya Gunan, approachable to people, because when paddy grows, it keeps on seeing the sky and growing. When it fully ripens, it will start seeing down. That is the paddy crop. The more and more you learn, the more and more start seeing the ground, then you can learn more. Shamalam, Saralam, Susmitam, Bhushitam. Always smile, don't frown. Susmitam, Bhushitam. You have ornaments inside you, not what we wear, necklace and other things. The ornaments are Amanitvam, Adambitvam, Ahimsa, Shanti, Arjavam, Acharya, Upasanam, Shaucham, Maunam, Atmavigraha. The 16th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita talks about the ornaments which are inside us, which contribute to our character. Dharanim, Dharanim, Mataram, Vande Mataram. These are the emotions. These are the management principles which Vande Mataram gives us. It is not a song. It is not a poem. It is not a bundle of words. It is not a bundle of letters. It's an emotion which keeps us in motion to be inspired, dedicated, and also dedicate our service to humanity. Jai Bharat Mata. Thank you so very much.